Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you top 5 Google Chrome shortcuts to save your time. So let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome browser, select your profile, maximize the window, and I will show you the shortcut key on your I will show you the shortcut key to how to open a new tab. So you have to press Ctrl plus T. So when you press this key, a new tab will open. So I will show you. Ctrl plus T. Okay, now you can see here my new tab is opened. Now I will show you how to reopen a closed tab. Sometimes accidentally we close a tab, so I will show you that. I will show you the key for that. You have to press Ctrl Shift plus T. Ctrl plus Shift plus T to open the how to reopen the closed tab. So I will show you the again practically how to open it. So to press Ctrl plus Shift T. So for example, I have closed this window. Now I want to reopen it again. Now you can see here my tab is opened. Okay, now the third one is how to open an incognito mode. Incognito mode is a private browsing feature which Google Chrome allows you for. It will don't track your history and records. So you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Now you can see here a new incognito mode has opened. Now how to close the current tab. For closing the current tab, you have to press Ctrl plus W. Ctrl plus W, and as you can see here my closest tab. Now how to open downloads page. To open the downloads page, you have to press Ctrl plus J. Remember Ctrl plus J to open the download page. As you can see here my download page is opened. And how to zoom it and zoom out. To do this, you have to press Ctrl plus option. I will show you on your screen. Ctrl plus. Okay, you have to press again. So I will show you how to zoom and zoom out. As you can see here. Now how to zoom out, you have to press the minus key. And that's it guys. Now you know how to use the top shortcut keys for Google Chrome browser. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.